Hope you're all well. This is Serena. Now, we're not trying to do everything through the medium of mind and art. Serena's very poorly, dragged herself off her sick bed to come and take part and share some words with you today. So thank you very much for that, Serena. Question we often get asked when we talk to people about the cloud and Xero is, brilliant, Mahmood, it's going to save us time, it's going to save us energy, we're going to connect with our numbers straight away, but what's the lowdown, what's the cost? And that's what we're going to talk to you about today. First thing, dispel the idea of cost, look at it as an investment, and the price itself of the software, the subscription, goes from the price of a weekly cup of coffee up to a weekly gin and tonic. Costs involved are effectively the sit down, the discussion, what do you want from your new system, the preparation, that dialogue. The second stage involved is the migration. So if you've got nothing before, it's more straightforward. If you've got an existing system, whether it's an existing cloud system, spreadsheets, bunches of paper, then we do what we can to transfer all that across, and there's an investment cost, which is, again, it's a one-off. Going forward, if you want some support, then there's going to be an element involved in there. If you want to do it yourself, fantastic, then it's going to be the cost of your existing staff. And think about this. The average cost for our clients, once that's done, up and running here, is less than effectively half an hour of minimum wage itself. Thank you very much, everybody. Hope you found this of some use. And it's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from Serena. Ciao.
I wanna be a rock star. Hey.